we'll guide you through how to design a stunning Wix portfolio that stands out. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Wix website, then log into your account. Once you're in, go to the dashboard and click on Create New Site. You'll be prompted to choose a template. Look for the portfolio category and select a design that suits your style. Now, you'll enter the Wix editor. Here, you can customize every detail. Click on any section of the template to edit it. You can change the text by clicking on a text box and typing directly. For images, click on the image you want to change, then choose Change Image and upload your own files or select from Wix's extensive media library. Remember to adjust the layout to fit your content. Use the drag and drop feature to move elements around. Next, you want to focus on the navigation menu. Click on Menus and Pages, then you can add or rename pages to organize your work better. For any additional features like contact forms or social media links, go to the Add button on the left side of the editor. Here, you can insert various elements to enhance your site. Make sure to preview your site frequently by clicking the Preview button at the top right to see how it looks live. Once you're satisfied with your design, click Publish to make your portfolio go live. And there you have it, a personalized Wix portfolio that reflects your unique style and work. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.